Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with VR for my lovely dear friend Shannon Morrissey. And she is having a challenge over on her channel. And what she's asking for is a 3 by 5 inch postcard and 2 ATC cards. Now, I haven't finished my ATC cards for you yet, Shannon, but I did finish my postcard and I wanted to get it filmed so I could get my VR up for you. But I will be, and there'll be a surprise then. So I made you a fabric postcard and I've done it in kind of the vintage style that I like. This picture is actually from a Victorian postcard, this image that I printed off from Pinterest. And I've added some avocado dyed pieces. This beautiful flower here was gifted to me from Lacey. Hi, Lacey. And some little snippets and appliques and some vintage lace here as well. And of course, bling and Paris and some little clay flowers from my stash. And then on the back, I've used some really pretty pink lace that Lacey also gifted me, and another snippet, and more of my avocado dyed, some vintage crochet trim at the top here, and then a little lace applique and a flat back pearl. And I'm going to put some info in the pocket of the back of this for you as well. So Shannon's channel link will be in the description box, you guys, but I'm sure you know her, Shannon Morrissey, and she has a wonderful Facebook group as well, and I'll put the link to that in the description box for you guys as well. And she does live classes on YouTube and in her Facebook group. And she's just an all-around amazing lady and extremely talented crafter and my friend. So please go over and check out her 500 Subbie challenge. And hopefully you guys will all join in. And that's it for right now. So check out Shannon's channel and I will be back soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.